welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kobo Libra Colour. So I got this for Christmas and I was already going to buy it anyway, but I'm really happy that I got it for Christmas. So this is actually the black one. As you guys know, I'm fully into my Kindle. So I wanted this device specifically because I wanted to be able to put CBZ files directly onto my e-reader, but I've been having to use an app called Calibre on my laptop to convert those files into EPUBs so I could put them on my Kindle, and it's just so much work, such a workaround. And also a lot of them are in color, and obviously my Kindle's not in color. So I could read all of my manga, I could also put webtoons on there, and also I can get the benefits of the e-reader without straining my eyes like my iPad does when I try to read manga on there. So yeah, sorry, that was a really long-winded intro, but yes, this is the Kobo Libra Colour. She's beautiful, and we're gonna unbox her today.
Okay, that's enough ASMR for today. As a graphic designer, I can truly appreciate a well-designed box, and this is a very pleasant unboxing experience. They have made the box kind of look like a book, which is just so cool, and then all the bright colors on the inside and the illustrations, it's just chef's kiss in my opinion. Inside the box, you're going to get obviously the Kobo, your user manuals, and then there's a little hidden compartment here for your USB-C cord. So one end is USB-C, the other is USB. I don't know why companies keep giving us USB ends. Like, we've moved on from this, guys. We've moved on. It should be USB-C to USB-C. So anyways, now let's jump into the Kobo. The back has this really nice, like, textured feel to it, although I'm not going to feel it because I'm putting a case on it. And then on the side, we've got a USB-C port, and then the buttons is another feature that really, like, made me want to get this because, you know, I just like to be able to click the buttons. And so the back is where the on button is. So we're going to just turn it on, and as soon as you see the screen, it asks you to set it up. I'm just going to set it up off screen really fast, pull this thing off, and you'll be at your home screen like this. So the first thing I did was just kind of play with all the buttons and just see what everything did. And we've got this screen where it kind of gives you like suggestions, and you can see like in the bookstore and stuff. Now I will say, after having it for a couple of days, I have noticed that the bookstore is not the easiest thing to navigate. I would have to just probably find what I want like on the Kobo website, or just like sideload things that I already have, because on the actual Kobo it's not the best. So yeah, I had a case for it that I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's just literally just a clear case. I think it cost me like $5 if that. And I'm just throwing it on the back of the Kobo, and this is what it looks like when it's in sleep mode as well. It has a screensaver, so you know your girl is going to make a custom screensaver for sure. So we're not keeping that blue thing. But overall, I think the Kobo is really, really nice, and I'm so excited to just be reading all my stuff. And guys, you know I had to do it. I had to compare it to the Kindle Basic because the Kindle Basic is basically a part of me now. So yeah, I had to just compare the size. You can see it's like almost as big as the entire screen. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to like see what it looked like next to each other.
So this is my Kobo with the clear case on it. So this morning I went on Etsy and I found a really cute skin cover for it, so that will have to be a separate video because it's going to take a few weeks for it to get to me. But I found a skin cover that's basically, it's going to sit on top of this and also the back. So I'm going to wait to decorate, like I'm not going to put any stickers or anything on it until I get the skin cover. I'm going to decorate it, I'm going to add some charms, really cute and aesthetic, and expect more Kobo videos coming soon. I'm going to deep dive into this Kobo. I'm going to test out all the features. I'm going to compare it to the Kindle. I'm going to test the speed. I'm going to do a lot of stuff. So I need a couple weeks with it to kind of like get my like nitty gritty, so I can really try it out and like give my true honest opinion on it. So give me a couple weeks and then I will get back to you with some Kobo like how-tos. But yeah, expect Kindle and Kobo content coming soon. I do plan on making a custom cover for this. Something that's really bright and colorful. I haven't decided what the design is going to be yet, but I will illustrate that and then I'll put it on the Kobo, and then I'll probably do a video showing you guys how to put it on the Kobo. Plug in your USB cord iPad, or you'll have to do like other ways. Like I know that you can use Dropbox or you can use Google Drive, but we'll get into it, like I said, in a whole separate like ultimate Kobo video or something like that. So just wanted to unbox that for you guys, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Bye!